Hello, good day to all. This is Victor Uniform number 2 Hotel Bravo India V2 HPI, and today we are going to explore two new software which we have just hosted in the Active Hams website. The first one is amateur radio or the ham radio Maidenhead Grid Square Locator. It's a simple map and which plot the QTH location of a ham radio operator, or we can simply say it's another way of geographical representation of ham radio location. So basically this is where this one we have used as a part of our logbook program, which our members can put their log online, and the log is also it's an automated one which can connect to your machine. The automatically log will go to your website, and other thing which can connect with other logging services, and you don't have to send the QSO card. It also are connected. I mean, basically it's one of the best options which we linked together for to just familiarize with the one. I mean, I'm coming back to the other tool which is hosted separately for to the Maidenhead Grid Square Locator based on an OpenStreetMap mapping tool. For example, when you move, the very simple tool, there is a plus sign, the cross signs you can see in the center of the screens, and wherever you move you can see this one. So for example, in this square what you have seen here, for example this square is LM09 LM, then you go here LN, then you can KN KM KL like this, KK KL MN, like that it will go. For example, if you take from here, it's the MG8, MK, MN, like this, and also this is, you can see the geographic. I mean the normal geographical coordinate in degrees. Here you can see east or west and north and south. So that also you can see here in the other side. So this is very useful tool for ham radio operator, especially for the beginners, to find what is your, somebody asks, oh, where is your grid, what is your grid location. So very simply point this one over your location. For example, you are somewhere near to Kollam, where Active Hams location is here. So definitely you point here, point the location of your location. For example, I am taking the Tangasheri or Ashramam. These are the places in Kollam district. You can see that here you have to check your grid square. So if you move this one, you can say MJ88. If you move other side, it will change. IV, HV, IV. These are the inner columns. IW. So these are the inner columns of the GW, GV. You can see this one. So this is where we select the grid one, and we will go to the main tool. So main tool basically is a logbook. I mean, it's a hosted application. I'm logging here, and so sorry. Yeah. So your logbook is here. Here also, if you want grid square, you can select the grid square. Is also you can select, or you can go for the other options. Grid square, you can have a separate big map. You can select this one based on the band or the. This is also the same map here. When you look here, you can see that what are the band selection. For example, I am saying for the 40 meter one. I mean, it's a bit different for the. For example, if the India we say MK, NL, NL, and NM, that is the India location come here. So if I go to zoom in, just to scroll the mouse bar, you can see that when you scroll in, you can, these are the areas that most of the South India's come under NK and MK. Again, if you zoom in, automatically you can see the sub columns or the inner columns. So just notice that MK divided into different columns. MK 55, 55 is something like this. So when you notice that one, again if you notice one, this one should be the MK MK00. So this is the MK0 So you can see that MK00 start here, just here to here. This is in this area, in this small corner here. What you have seen here is the MK01, and going right, if we can see that MK01 again up to 10 column, you can see MK09. Then again it come here MK09. You can see that one into in the second column MK10. After going here, it's coming back to MK10 here. Again 10 column we have here MK20, 30, 40, 50, 60, MK70, MK80, MK90. So like this. For again your grid subsectors or the inner columns for the main grid. Again I zoom in, I am into MK80 and MJ. So this is a 1. So again it's passed to MK up to here. For example, I am taking the Delhi, for example, or I can take a familiar one in somewhere near to Malappuram area, the northern Kerala. So Calicut come under MK71 and MK81. And for example, I will take the Alleppey region or Trivandrum region, MK88, MJ88. This is one come to MJ. You just notice that MJ up to MK is up to here, and again taking to Alleppey and Trivandrum, this location. So if somebody asks your main grid location, see that again it's the MJ88. This is a subcolumn. The 88 subcolumn again divided into another 101, another 100 columns. For example, again when it go again, it's different. So it is not the number. You can say GR, GQ, GP, GO, GN, GM, GL, K, JI, JK. It's like that. And you can see up to how the number, the RTO office is giving the number. That's where it's going. I'm just telling a simple example. That's the inner column. So there is one more deeper definition for the last one that I will tell you later. For example, if you want to identify a specific location, this is your specific location. For example, I'm going to Kundra or Puttur or in Valagam, or these are the different locations in Kollam district. And Ashtamudi Lake, we are going to one, and we are going to select our office quite near to Karikode here. So the Karikode location, differently you can say MJ88HV is the grid location. Okay, MJ88HV again there is a subgrid for that one. You can see that again if you zoom in this one, in this area, a small area, again we have tagged with the subsectors. We divided into another 100 columns, again 1, 2, 3 to 0, 0 to 101. For example, precisely we can say where exactly is your grid, your grid location. So for example, for the Ashramam, for the Karikode, let me select one location here. Anyway, Polaytod. Okay, this is one location for the Polaytod. In this area it is a MJ88HV30, MJ88HV31 for this location. Pattatanam is come to, if this is the location, MJ88HV32. So this is the way you can easily, precisely select the main grid detail, the grid details of your QTH. This is another way to represent it, another form of representing your geolocation for the ham radio operators. Okay, this I will give another one, this one I will give a demonstration for how to enter the logbook or anything. You can post queues or those things, and I will give another a second day training on how to use this one on next video. I mean, this is Victor Uniform number 2 Hotel Bravo India, and 73. Bye bye.